Hi, dear. Welcome to the heard Me T-MOBILE Revvl 6, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So, just I set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Where is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast and correct. We can just unlock the device less than in 1 second with a simple touch. I'm not pressing it just yet. I just simple touch it. So this unlock method works correct and fast, and I suggest you to try it, but don't forget that the face fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.